Hello.
Hi,
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Irfan. What?
My name is Lise. Nice to meet you, Irfan. Where are you from?
I am from India.
Okay,
And
very
you?
good. So what would you like to do? I'm from South Africa.
Nice to meet you.
Mm-hmm. So what would you like to do for this class?
Actually, this is my first time here, and I just want to talk generally. How about you and you? Me?
Mm-hmm. All right, very good. So
Yeah.
what do you do?
Uh, I'm graduate as I'm sports person. Yeah, more interested in sports. Yeah, I'm playing cricket.
Of course. Of course,
Yeah.
very good. You guys are very popular for the cricket, right? I think you're our base competitors with the cricket.
So you know any cricketer from India?
No, I don't.
Okay, there are a lot of players from South Africa playing the leagues in India.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
Yeah.
I'm not so up to date with the cricket or the rugby right now because I don't live in South Africa anymore, so I don't get
Oh.
to watch cricket or rugby where I live
So,
now.
where are you staying now?
I'm in Peru,
Peru.
South America.
Okay, okay. So you are staying with your family alone?
I live here now. I'm on my own.
So what do you do there?
I moved. I live here.
So like,
Yes.
what do you do for living?
I'm an online teacher.
That's it?
Yes, that's my job. I work for
Okay.
several companies online. I teach children mostly, but with Cambly, I teach adults. I used
So
to
can
work
can
for
you?
a language institute here in the capital, but I changed to only online because it's just more convenient. Mm,
And due to COVID, you online actually. Yeah.
exactly. But I changed before the COVID,
Oh, okay, okay. That's nice actually.
luckily. Yeah, luckily
Yeah.
for me. So
So
I am, yes,
in America,
I am.
okay, your kids.
I have one daughter.
Oh, how old?
She's 6 years old.
Okay, you are teaching her herself.
Well, now it's kind of like homeschooling because all the schools here by us are closed. So it's not just languages, it's mathematics, it's, the whole everything that needs to be
Okay.
taught. So it's a nightmare. My worst nightmare.
Oh, nice. Actually,
Teaching someone else is fine, but teaching your own child is much more difficult because they can,
yeah,
no, no, I don't want to.
they made so many
Yeah,
excuses.
exactly, exactly. You need a lot more patience.
Yeah, that's I had a teacher when I was in like so I
Hmm.
was more intelligent than
Okay. So
yeah
he liked you more than his own children.
yeah.
That's too bad. Shame. Shame for him. Well,
Yeah.
it's like I think if it's a continuation of practice, with the kids, then it becomes easier. Things become easier for them. But if you just let them be and
Yeah.
you don't help them or practice with them, then their intelligence does not grow, and maybe that's why.
Yeah, you're. So actually, I guess I'd also give.
You do, or you will?
I'm not yet married.
All right. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. And what's the weather like now in India? Is it summer or winter?
Actually, I'm in the north part of India. Jammu and Kashmir. Have you heard about that?
Sorry.
Yeah. So here it's cool. It's cool. You don't know about Jammu and Kashmir?
No, sorry. I've never been to that side of the world, so
Oh my God! What is very famous thing, famous place?
No, I'm sorry. I've never heard of it.
Have you heard Paradise on Earth?
Maybe for you it's popular because you're from India, but for someone that lives outside of India, it's probably not.
This is a small phrase. Paradise on Kashmir. It's so beautiful.
No, I'm sorry. I've never heard of it.
You should visit.
And I can guarantee you many people have never heard of it.
Oh, no. I have in America, so I talked to them and they are saying they know about it. Yeah.
Perhaps. Anyhow.
Yeah. So, do you like traveling?
I do. I've been to many countries, as a matter of fact.
Oh, which other countries?
I've been to Dubai, I've been to England, I've been to Brazil, I've been to the United States, I've been to Chile, I've been to Argentina, and now I live in Peru. So, so I've got quite a few countries that I've been to.
You're traveling?
No, I traveled mostly by myself, but to some of the countries I went with my husband.
Okay, so when did
I got married 5 years ago.
Oh, so so yeah.
So why are you using Cambly?
Cambly, actually, my sister and brother, they are talking here, so I got a time. I'm very happy to meet like strangers and mostly Western cultural guys.
I see. So you like to call just to chat, basically.
Can you understand me?
Yes, I understand you.
It's really nice. Because
why? Have you had problems before?
No, I don't have problems. I have a little problem with accent, because I'm Indian, so Indian, accent.
But that's normal. You shouldn't take that personal. Everyone has. For example, the first time I went to England, I had a really hard time understanding people from Liverpool because of their accent, because it's so strong that it was hard for me at first to make out like what they're saying. So it took some time for me to get used to their accent until I could understand them. But that's normal. You shouldn't take that personally.
Yeah. Similarly, I have Australia because their accent is too fast. They are words. Yeah.
They kind of rumble through the words, so it's hard to understand them, mate.
They're chilling. They're more like I don't know what.
More relaxed, much more relaxed.
Yeah.
All right. Well, it was nice to meet you, Irfan. Our time is running out.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Liz Dupi.
Lise. That's my name is
Please.
Lise. Yes.
Do and P.